In this video, I will show you how to use your photo as wallpaper for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now to do this, we're going to be using our smartphone over here, and the reason is basically because the Redmi Watch 5 Active actually works together with your phone. So you want to come over to your phone that is connected to your Redmi Watch 5 Active. By the way, I have made a separate tutorial on how to connect your Redmi Watch 5 Active with your phone using the Mi Fitness app, which is basically this app over here. Just make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Make sure you have the Mi Fitness app downloaded and set up on your phone. Come over to the devices tab and then just click on connect. You should be able to connect. Now once that is done, you want to come over to the devices tab on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, and you're going to see the manage watch faces option over here. What you just want to do is to click on see all, just like so, and you're going to be taken to this page. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the custom option over here, and then select any of the album under custom. I'll just go ahead and click on this. Now at this point, what you want to do is to click on the custom photo over here, and it is going to take you to your phone's file manager. So you want to select the particular photo you want to use as your wallpaper on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So in my case, I'll just scroll down and go over to the pictures folder over here, then scroll down continuously until I see the photo I want. Take for instance this particular photo. I will select it, and now you can now adjust it or choose any style you want from all of the options over here. I'll go with this, then just click on continue at the bottom. Give it some few seconds, and then you want to click on the apply option over here. This will actually use your mobile internet connection, so just click on download over here, and as you can see, it is now installing update. And just like so, I have successfully now used my own photo as wallpaper for my Redmi Watch 5 Active. If you have any issue while trying to upload your photo to the Redmi Watch 5 Active, what you can actually do is to come over to the local option over here, and then just go ahead and delete one of these options. I think you only have 6 options, and once it passes 6, you won't be able to upload or use more photos as wallpaper for your Redmi Watch 5 Active. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.